Look at what we have here. It's a poor kitty cat.
What is all?
Getting snowed on.
He asked for it. I let him out.
You gonna let him in?
I'm gonna should be on cat.
Oh, like my paw.
First.
Like my paw.
No.
Dude, the drone, that's cold.
Poor little kitten cat. Terry's been out here. Look at this. All right, go ahead. The tunnel and
Mom, come on.
sledding
I'll
hill.
show you my other tunnel.
Another tunnel?
Yeah.
Oh, you're working on this one.
Over here, Mom.
Yep.
Come all the way.
I can't.
Serious?
Okay,
It's already snowed on here.
just enough to lay down in.
Ah.
Evie says Luna is part cat. She's licking herself off. Part kangaroo because of the jumping. Part sheep because of all the fluffy fur. And part dog. She came in absolutely covered in snow, matted all down, and she's licked it all off. Good girl. Here are my gluten-free rolls. Cinnamon rolls. They baked in a little muffin tin, so they're all in one shape. They look really good. Here are the gluten full rolls. And she's excited about them.